With the need to reduce government expenditure is critical, but above it all, it intends to improve service delivery. However, to achieve this, government plans to merge over 30 agencies or have them returned to mother ministries.
Cost of administration also was getting higher and higher.
Top on the list of government agencies to be merged include Uganda National Road Authority UNRA, Equal Opportunities Commission, Coffee Development Authority, National Information Technology Authority of Uganda, among others. The process, which is ongoing, last week, members of Parliament under the NRM caucus held a meeting with the President to discuss how best the rationalization of these entities should be done without attracting legal suits that may result into financial loss to the taxpayer. Dr. Ruhweza, the acting head of Department, School of Law and Jurisprudence at Makerere University, highlights what the law stipulates in case such entities are to be merged.
Attorney General's office, the Solicitor General will advise on how best it will be done. So I am very sure that when that happens, that there will be a legal process that will be done, carefully thought of, to address some of the issues that may arise. I don't think that the government per se will receive a specific challenge unless someone contests against a decision successfully in a court of law.
Since these entities are created under the Parliament Act, they have different policies and laws that govern them, with some falling under the Employment Act and public service laws.
Policies per se do not necessarily have to be changed. Laws may have to be changed and amended. But remember, all this is done under the Constitution. I think the government is trying to ensure how do we maximize efficiency, how do we maximize the effective use of the national pass that we have.
The yet-to-be-merged agencies have over 1,000 employees whose contracts are still valid to date.
You're employed under the Employment Act. There are sections in that act that do provide for you to either receive your terminal benefits, for notice to be given, for reasons, if any, or for the lapse of a contract.
Although the government proposes to rationalize these agencies, those who are likely to be affected are the employees in these entities.
Expect change all the time. We heard about certain things happening during COVID. Who knew that would have a lockdown situation? So I guess as human beings, we ought to be flexible. If I lost my job today, do I go on a hunger strike? Do I kill myself? What do I do? Are there alternative things that I can easily be able to do?
Dr. Ruhweza also advised government on how best the entities can be merged to avoid the would-be circumstances to both government and the employees.
Is to seek legal counsel, and I'm sure there's a whole Attorney General's office and the Attorney General Counsel Kiwanuka. A lot of consultation is important, and I think that the government is well suited to do that. I would propose phased change instead of abrupt change of things, such that people can easily move from one place to another.
To avoid legal technicalities that may result in legal suits in courts of law in the emerging of these entities, a motion is yet to be presented to Parliament for each of the agents, since each was separately created by Parliament. Deborah Namamonde, Susan Nabogodde, UBC News.